back at it again for round 2. Just a few moments ago.
Wow.
Ooh, brakes. Too much brakes. Where am I going? Goodness gracious. We're getting the feel for it. We're warming up. Big brakes, no corner cut like last time. Here we go. Ooh, almost didn't do that right. It's kind of sloppy. It's alright though, we're good. Alright, that was a clean ride. That was much better. In first pole position, as I was explaining, so as you can kind of see here, these are all the racers in the tier. A proper race this time to bring me back up in the 10th place on the overall bracket. Bad touch on the start there. Not two of you. So we're just gonna balls to the wall this bitch. So pits take a little bit. They take about 7 to 10 seconds just to drive through because of the speed limitation. Ooh, big and wide. Restart this second. Well, that was fucky. That was not okay. Try again. Alright, we're gonna go for 3 laps this time instead of 2. We're gonna make that gap bigger so that we have a better chance. If at first you do not succeed, you try it again. I was better. We'll go with that. Fuck, that was spicy.
Okay, be careful with the front wing. You've taken some minor damage.
Minor. Okay, we're good. We can't do it again, but we're good. Might affect my driving slightly. Oh man, that's not minor at all. If at first you don't succeed, you try again.
Okay, you know.
Hey, there we go. That's more like it. If at first you don't succeed, you try again. Whoa there, buddy.
Mind that front wing. He's going to need replacing if it takes too much damage.
There we go. If at first you do not succeed. Try
Okay,
again.
you know.
This track is the bane of my existence right now.
Mind that front wing, it's going to need replacing if it takes...
I'm like Lightning McQueen in this bitch. Burning through the grass. Damn. Alright, well. At this point, I just want to finish the race. Struggled so hard. We didn't finish the last one on our last stream. This game is not for the faint of heart. I don't understand though. We were doing so well. I was so focused. I was so dialed in earlier. Right there. Bump. If you just caught up, I was trying to figure out how I died in that last race, and it looks like homie clipped me. Oh, but I got him on the pass. Too much beans. No, not again. All right, let's try that again.
Okay,
I think this is the one though. It's like a millisecond late on that. Woo, that was dirty. Alright, here we go. Oh, shit. Right here. Yep. Overcompensate. Pow! Damn. No. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. Mr. Clean. I got the bald head already, so I might as well be super clean like Mr. Clean. There we go. Try. Since I didn't read the F1 rulebook before opening this. That was lucky. It's alright though. You don't get good without fucking up, right? That was a nice launch. This is that. Game definitely hates me today. But it's okay. We're gonna make the best of it. Thank you for enjoying this TED Talk of me losing. Crazy, you're exactly right, Moschetti. You ain't first, you're last. Alright, here we go. Speed. I am speed. That's gonna be so ridiculous with other cars. I have to make sure I get it first. What? I love you guys. Appreciate everything you've done. And for watching, I wouldn't be here without you. So, again, my name's Josh Spencer with Street Scene Review. We'll see you on the streets.
ART